Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change Instagram chat theme. So this is going to be for Android and iOS devices, the same type of thing for both. What you want to do is first of all go to the App Store or Google Play Store, type in Instagram, then click update if you haven't already. If you have, that's great. You're fine to go on to the first step, which is going to your profiles. Click the bottom right hand corner there. If you're on the Instagram app, then click the top right hand corner, which is those three little lines, then click settings. However which way you get to the settings, you will need to get to there. Then click update messaging. Then click again on update messaging, that blue button there. That will take you through to the next step where you will need to click continue again. You can change if you have multiple accounts, whatever on there too, but you will need to click continue to get through to the next step on the account center. Click OK if that comes up as well. Then click finish setting up. That's what you'll need to do, is complete all the steps to then get the update fully on your Instagram. Next, you will need to go to a chat. So go ahead, go onto a chat as you can see here. Click the top toolbar where you see the person's name. Then you will bring up a thing here where it says like details, and you see theme. Click on that theme there. Then what you want to do is go ahead and click on any one of these chat themes here. You can see all the different ones right here. Go ahead and click on that circle, then it will change the chat theme. And when you go back into the chat, you'll see it's changed. Like I've got the Halloween one, then you'll see the text has changed to orange. It's got like a Halloween theme around it as well. So that's how you do it. So there is a playlist on screen to see all the other things you can do on Instagram. How to do anything you want is right there. Leave a like on the video if it did help. Subscribe for more helpful Instagram videos. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.